Today's Amazon shop find is how to replace the ignition coil on a Predator generator if you got one from Harbor Freight. This is a common part that goes out, and so we had a crank no start. And as you can see right here, we're just showing how to take it apart. If you've never taken it apart, it's pretty easy. You just need a 10mm socket with a Phillips screwdriver, and a blade helps too to pop off the cover on the wheels. You will have to remove the wheels on there, and you can just pop them off right there with a little clip, and they just pop right off. What happens with these ignition coils is that oil somehow gets in there, they just get burnt out, and that goes out. And so as you can see, the simple little screws and little clips, you can just undo them. And it comes right out. Pretty easy piece to swap out, and the reinstall is just the same. You're just going to plug those clips back in and you'll set it back in place. Simple, step by step, easy. And there you have it. Go ahead and check out Amazon. You can get that part if you're having issues with that generator.